504 English essential words. Tradition, a custom or belief passed down through generations. Custom, heritage, practice. Christmas is a tradition celebrated in many countries worldwide. Our family tradition includes a big dinner every Sunday. The festival has its roots in ancient tradition. In many cultures, storytelling is an important tradition. She values tradition but is open to trying new things. Rural, relating to the countryside rather than the city. Countryside, pastoral, rustic. The rural area had beautiful landscapes and fresh air. She grew up in a small rural community. Rural life can be peaceful but often lacks modern amenities. Farmers in rural areas rely on rainfall for their crops. The government aims to improve rural infrastructure. Thank you for like and subscribe us. Burden, a heavy load, either physical or emotional. Load, weight, obligation. Carrying such a large burden made him feel exhausted. Financial debt became a heavy burden for the family. She didn't want to burden her friends with her problems. The old man felt like he was a burden to his children. The donkey struggled under the burden of its load. Campus, the grounds and buildings of a university or college. University grounds, college grounds, schoolyard. The campus was filled with students during orientation week. I love walking around the lake on campus. The library is the most peaceful place on campus. Many students live in dormitories on campus. The campus has a new cafeteria that serves excellent food. Majority, more than half of a group or the greater part of something. Most, bulk, greater number. The majority of the population voted in favor of the new policy. A majority of students preferred online learning over in-person classes. The majority opinion was that the movie was fantastic. In a democracy, the majority often decides the outcome. The survey revealed that the majority of respondents were satisfied. Assemble, to gather together in one place for a purpose, to put something together. Gather, collect, construct. The students assembled in the auditorium for the lecture. He assembled the bookshelf in less than an hour. People began to assemble outside the town hall. The workers assembled the parts of the car on the assembly line. A crowd assembled to watch the street performance. Explore, to travel or search for the purpose of discovery. Investigate, examine, discover. She loves to explore new cities when she travels. Scientists are exploring ways to reduce carbon emissions. The child explored the garden, looking for insects. We explored all the options before making a decision. He enjoys exploring different cuisines from around the world. Topic: the subject of a conversation, discussion, or piece of writing. Subject, theme, matter. The topic of today's meeting is sustainability. She wrote an essay on the topic of climate change. That's an interesting topic. Tell me more about it. The teacher introduced a new topic in class. This topic is often debated in political circles. Debate, a formal discussion on a particular topic where opposing arguments are presented. Discussion, argument, deliberation. They had a heated debate about the best solution to the problem. The candidates participated in a televised debate. The issue of renewable energy sparked much debate. We debated whether to accept the proposal or not. The debate lasted for hours but ended without a resolution. Evade, to escape or avoid, often in a clever or dishonest way. Avoid, escape, elude. He tried to evade answering the difficult question. The criminal evaded capture for several years. She evaded the topic by changing the subject. They found ways to evade paying taxes. The player skillfully evaded the defenders to score a goal. Probe, to investigate or explore thoroughly. Investigate, examine, inquire. The journalist probed into the politician's past. Scientists are probing the mysteries of space. The detective probed for clues at the crime scene. She didn't want to probe too deeply into his personal life. The probe revealed new data about the planet's atmosphere. Reform, to make changes in order to improve something. Improve, amend, restructure. The government introduced reforms to improve education. He pledged to reform the tax system. The organization is working to reform outdated policies. The prison system requires major reform to reduce recidivism. After some reflection, he decided to reform his bad habits.